Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to our English learning podcast.
Today, we will learn 100 more useful English words.
These are words 801 through 900.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Word 801.
Let's start learning.
Achievement. Finishing the course is a great achievement.
Success. Hard work leads to success.
Failure. Failure can teach us valuable lessons.
Courage. It takes courage to try something new.
Confidence. Practice builds confidence.
Patience. Learning a language takes patience.
Kindness. Kindness makes the world better.
Honesty. Honesty is always important.
Respect. We should respect everyone.
Responsibility. Feeding the dog is my responsibility.
Goal. My goal is to speak English fluently.
Dream. My dream is to travel the world.
Future. I am excited about my future.
Opportunity. This job is a great opportunity.
Challenge. Every challenge helps us grow.
Improve. I want to improve my pronunciation.
Achieve. You can achieve your goals.
Succeed. She will succeed with hard work.
Practice. We practice English every day.
Progress. Your progress is easy to see.
Focus. Please focus on your lesson.
Attention. Pay attention to the teacher.
Concentration. Good concentration helps you learn.
Effort. Your effort will be rewarded.
Habit. Reading is a healthy habit.
Routine. Morning exercise is part of my routine.
Balance. Work and rest need balance.
Relax. I like to relax after work.
Rest. Get enough rest every night.
Sleep. 8 hours of sleep is healthy.
Wake up. I wake up at 6:30 every morning.
Fall asleep. The baby fell asleep quickly.
Yawn. I yawn when I am tired.
Stretch. Stretch your arms before exercising.
Breathe. Take a deep breath and breathe slowly.
Smile. A smile can brighten someone's day.
Laugh. We laughed at the funny story.
Cheer. The fans cheer for their team.
Celebrate. We celebrate every birthday together.
Enjoy. I enjoy reading books.
Invite. I invited my friends to dinner.
Visit. We visit our grandparents every Sunday.
Welcome. Welcome to our home.
Arrive. The train will arrive soon.
Depart. Our flight will depart at noon.
Journey. The journey was comfortable.
Adventure. Every trip is an adventure.
Memory. This song brings back happy memories.
Moment. This is a special moment.
Experience. It was an unforgettable experience.
Discover. We discovered a beautiful beach.
Explore. They love to explore new cities.
Observe. Observe the birds quietly.
Notice. Did you notice the rainbow?
Wonder. I wonder what will happen next.
Imagine. Imagine living by the ocean.
Create. Children love to create art.
Build. We will build a treehouse.
Design. She wants to design clothes.
Invent. People invent new technology every year.
Repair. He repaired his bicycle.
Replace. Please replace the old battery.
Protect. Wear sunscreen to protect your skin.
Prevent. Exercise helps prevent illness.
Prepare. We prepared lunch together.
Organize. Organize your books by subject.
Decorate. They decorated the room with balloons.
Celebrate. We celebrated our anniversary.
Volunteer. Many students volunteer on weekends.
Donate. We donated clothes to charity.
Recycle. Always recycle paper and plastic.
Reuse. Reuse your shopping bags.
Reduce. Reduce food waste whenever possible.
Conserve. We should conserve water.
Nature. I enjoy spending time in nature.
Wildlife. Wildlife needs safe places to live.
Forest. The forest is full of birds.
Riverbank. We walked along the riverbank.
Hillside. The flowers grow on the hillside.
Valley. The valley is peaceful.
Sunrise. We watched the sunrise together.
Sunset. The sunset was beautiful.
Rainbow. A rainbow appeared after the rain.
Breeze. A cool breeze felt wonderful.
Fresh air. Let's go outside for fresh air.
Journey home. Our journey home was easy.
Neighborhood. My neighborhood is quiet.
Hometown. I miss my hometown.
Friendship. True friendship lasts a lifetime.
Neighbor. Our neighbor is very helpful.
Teamwork. Teamwork makes difficult jobs easier.
Leadership. Good leadership earns respect.
Communication. Good communication prevents problems.
Cooperation. Cooperation helps everyone succeed.
Inspiration. Nature gives me inspiration.
Motivation. My family is my motivation.
Determination. Determination leads to success.
Wisdom. Older people often share wisdom.
Gratitude. Show gratitude for every opportunity.
Lifelong learning. Lifelong learning keeps your mind active.
Excellent job!
Today, you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 10.
Goodbye, and happy learning!